Again. Again. You guys can see it, barely hear it. Again. Here's sound decibels. Not even 83. Again. We'll let you guys hear it out. Dodge Charger V6. What we got done on it is something different than the usual V6s. 2 high flow cats, as you guys can see, one here, one here. We did that one earlier in the year. He came back, we put the second one on, and then it was into a single. Then we did a mid muffler delete right there. And then we did a rear resonator delete right there. And right there, out the back. As you guys can see right there. There's the muffler. There's the 2 resonators we cut off. So we'll let you guys hear it. We'll let you hear it before, now we'll let you guys hear it after. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Gary brought it. Nice. Dodge Charger V6. Here's sound decibels now. Again. Right at 110. Go ahead and back it out. Got that sparkle. Look at that sparkle. Nice paint job to it too. Look at that. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger V6 straight pipe with high flow cats. Cold start. You love it? Hell yeah. Give it gas. Yeah. Give a thumbs up again. Yeah. Wifey likes it. Everybody likes it. Yeah. The beast has awakened. Enjoy it. Take care.